After 2 years in a distant galaxy, in-person events return back to Earth. Happenee is prepared to take you back into the world of perfectly executed events. Make the search for participants' needs easier thanks to the event microsites, or take advantage of personalized email invitations to spice up your communication with distinctiveness. You may send and reevaluate the entire mailing directly from Happenee. There is no need for any other tools. Prepare multi-level registration forms through Happenee to reach smooth attendee registration. A dynamic registration system will help you support it. Automatic payment matching will help you save your precious time. Use all of that and much more comfortably in one place. Maximize attendee satisfaction by fast QR code scanning. And say goodbye to the endless queues thanks to the combination with the possibility of printing. Directly from the Happenee app. Allow the attendees to plan networking meetings according to their will. And maximize your brand outreach with a fully branded mobile or desktop app Happenee. This way you will share any information with attendees easily and effectively. Follow all activities in real time and precede any data leaks thanks to a platform that meets the strict ISO standards. There is no need to hurry with the evaluation of the event. The complex data are available according to your needs, even after the end of your event. So, are you ready to take off? Let's get into it.